Hey, this is Paul. This is a repair for Calvin. This is a G07 19-inch chassis. Came to me dead. Had to do quite a few things to get this guy working. Width coil was broken. I replaced the width coil. I put a new flyback in, cap kit, voltage regulator. Got a good looking picture. I did a lot of reflow work, FR401, new B plus pot, and we're looking good. All colors are there. I'm looking good. I gave it a good reflow. I put a new filter cap on it. All Nichcon caps. I inspected the bottom, did a lot of solder repair. A lot of cold solder joints. There was a lot of cold solder joints on this area here, which is causing problems. I pretty much got it working and looking pretty good. Finish up his testing period, then I'll send it back on home. See ya.